All right, guys, we are ready to rip. Got everything on my back. We're gonna go e-bike camping. Let's get it. Dude, this is sick.
Dude, this is crazy.
What's going on, everybody? We are up here in the Utah mountains. We got the bikes. They're about to get unloaded. We got everything in our packs for a full night of camping. We got a 9-mile ride ahead of us and not a lot of time before sunset. So hopefully we can get there in time.
All right, here we go. We are off on a camping adventure today. I think we got 8 miles today. Up in American Fork Canyon, which will eventually take us to the front side of the canyon, and we'll be able to overlook the entire city, which is super cool.
All right, here's the trail. All right, a little bit of a hill climb to start.
Here we go. Give her hell.
Woo! Yeah, buddy. Oh my goodness. Woo, woo, woo.
Just rip up.
Stay on the bike, brother. Ooh.
Man, the fall timing. Crash number 1, here we go. Welcome to the fall timing, American Fork Canyon. Holy cow.
Hell yeah. Oh, sharp turn. There we go. You good?
Yeah, we're good. I finally crashed.
It do be beautiful. It do be beautiful.
Look at the views. It is insane.
Let's get it. Oh, dude, this is so sick. Holy. So yeah, we're just hitting some single track on the way to our campsite. Ooh, we're not really, we know the area we're gonna camp, but not exactly where there, so there's just a ton of open field camping. Gotta find some trees, throw up the hammocks, and having a good time. Meanwhile, this single track is rocky as shit. I think it clears up here just a little bit. On Onyx, it's rated like a 6 out of 10, but shouldn't be too bad, honestly. What the freak?
That is crazy. Wow.
So dope. Yeah, so soon we should be like up a little bit higher, and you can kind of see into that valley up there. So that'll be dope. The little campfire right here. Oh my goodness. That's beautiful. That's what I think about that.
This is unreal.
Oh my gosh.
I better stay back a little bit so I don't get flicked up by a giant rock. Oh my gosh!
That sucked. Yeah, I feel you, brother. I feel you. It looks better up here, though. Blessings.
All right. We can hope for... Hey!
Woo! Oh, yeah. Much better.
You know, unfortunately, one of the things about this bike, it overheats a lot due to the sprocket size.
Good?
Bike overheated.
Did it really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that rock section was gnarly, though.
Those rocks are pretty gnarly.
Yeah, dude, what the freak? Let's get it. That little, dude, that berm down there was sick.
That was sick.
So sick, in between the log. Holy, look at that, dude. So right there's where the road goes across all that rock fall. Yeah, so where we crossroad, it keeps going there, and you cross that rock fall. They like flattened it out a little bit, but this is where they have avalanches like every single year. Yeah. Through the Quakies, dude? Heck yeah. No way. Can you go up and over? Like we could probably like walk it over. Like it'd be hard to ride it. Or yeah, we could just like lift them up and over. Okay. Been here for a while, looks like. I bet someone who's a freaking boss just freaking hops right over that shit. There we go. Talaria's, man. There we go. I'm putting eco. I will not drop your bike, sir.
I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about you.
Yeah, buddy. One down. Oh, yeah. Okay. And lift this up. There we go.
All right.
I hit that so bad. That's awesome.
Shit!
Oh yeah. Oh, a little log section.
I didn't get enough.
All right, let's see if I can do this.
Oh shit!
Hell yeah.
Oh.
Hey, it felt good for a second. Whoa! Yo! Let's freaking go, dude. Hold on.
Talk about absolutely amazing.
Oh, saved it! Saved it! Okay, so these are all the aspens. We can literally go in wherever, or we can go up there where it's a little more red. It's getting so freaking dark. Hopefully we can get a spot. All right, as you guys can see, it is pitch black. We just found campsite. I found some trees. Not too bad. We got a little, you can't see it, but there's a campfire that we're gonna set up over there.
A little bit darker than we were expecting when we got here.
Took a little bit longer because we were having too much fun, but. Oh yeah. Shout out Eride Pro with the light bar. We'll get hammocks up, we'll get fire and get food going. Hammocks are up.
Let's go.
This is bedtime right here.
Bedtime.
This is where we sleep in. Mine is a little close together. I might break my back tonight, but we gonna find out. All right, I never finished Boy Scouts, but I made quite a few fires in my time, so let's see if this works. And yes, it's a lighter. We got fire, let's freaking go. All right, we got the jet boil going. Go boil up some water. What you got for dinner? Helmet down.
I got some chicken Alfredo.
Dude, so do I.
No way.
So do I.
Is
Let's
it the
go.
same brand?
Exact same thing. So if you guys haven't had this stuff is straight up amazing. Don't eat that though. Can you throw that in the fire?
I'm not gonna risk that.
So these things are amazing though. They freaking, you just throw in some hot water, leave it for like 4 minutes. Chilling. Oh yeah, dude.
Hope that's enough.
There we go. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Oh yes, that looks nice. You can see the salt everywhere. Breakfast or dinner of champions, eating like kings, whatever you say. Got the fire going.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's get it. Okay, so we're just here at camp, and Riley noticed on our way up, he's missing 1, 2, 3. These two, right?
Yeah, those two, and then the one on the other side.
That's crazy. Yeah, lift up your seat just a little bit.
That bitch about to fall off.
So we might be taking a little bit more chill on the way home tomorrow.
Yeah, at least I will.
We'll see. All right, we made it to bed. What time is it?
It's 10:45.
10:45. Luckily, it's not too cold, but we're hammocking it up. Nice and cozy over here.
And cozy. I mean, I don't know if cozy is the right word, but
got the bikes back there. I don't know if you can see them, but not supposed to get too cold tonight, so we should be good to go. We got sleeping bags and hoodies, but should be chilling. We're gonna try to hit sunrise, get riding a little bit in the morning, and head back to the truck. So we'll see you then.
All right, it's 5 a.m.
Yes, sir.
It was a lot colder than we thought it would, so we decided to.
The $60 sleeping bags are not cutting it.
Yeah, we're gonna try to keep up a fire. As you can see, it's still pretty dark out.
Well, this morning was good, dude. It was cold last night, and the weather said it was only supposed to get to like 52, but I think it got way colder than that last night. So that was no fun, but we got up early, started a fire. Now we're all good, getting out of here, getting back to the car. Woo! I'm alive! What the F happened? I think I might have freaking put my kickstand down. It's like my throttle cut out. The sun is out. Feels good.
all right, guys, just about finished up with our camping ride. I think we're roughly going to be around that 18 to 20 mile mark when we're completely finished. I'm running really low on my battery at 30%. Brenton on the E-Ride. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. We'll try to get you out a new video soon.